Knock, knock.
Who's there? Open up, I'm in it. Searching for that weed man. He be back in 5 minutes. What he doing? I don't know, but I'm about to vacate. Ain't messing with corny bitches, I'm saying they street flicks. Call me if you need me low, I be on the north side. Probably leave intoxicated, lightly toasted or high. But you shouldn't follow me, cause where I go is dangerous. Party hard with zombies and all that brain was made for us. You should know I'm 1 in a million. Tell me I'm against the rules. Oh, just 1 in a million. But I could fight this on my own. You should know I'm 1 in a million. Tell me I'm against the rules. Oh, just 1 in a million. But I could fight this on my own. They told me I was really coming too aggressive, maybe overconfident, choosing few suggestions. But I don't really need it, cause I'm fucking impressive. I focus on my checks, blood and sweat really stress me. Moving like it's wrestling, hold it, question. If you wanna get just like me, shouldn't you learn your lessons? Thou shalt never fuck with I, especially